There's a York and a Goodman over here. York Latitude. Unit over there to shut off. Looks like this thing's leaking. There's Goodman right here. Two-ton, I think. No. 2-ton. Yeah. 2008. Ouch. And here's a Goodman. Mm, 2013. 2.5 ton. And over here. There's a Lennox Merit. Make this one really quick. 2-ton for 2018. And I don't think I'm gonna get that carrier. You know, yes I am. There's a spider web. Fudge. Big spider web. 2011 2-ton. That's the one that was running just then. Right here's a Lennox Diplomat. It's beginning to rot. Two and a half ton from 1993. Okay. Two Goodmans right here. I'm gonna get the data on one of these. Serial 1999, 1.5 ton. There's the data on that one. There's a ream right here, or a rude. It's a rude. 2018, 2-ton. Armstrong Air Concept 1000. 1.5 ton, 2001. Really rotted out Goodman. 1997, 1.5 ton. I don't know what the hell they're doing. But that Armstrong Air is from 1.5 ton from 2001. Goodman's from 1997, and it's 1.5 ton. Here's a little day and night right here that I took a picture of last year. 1997, 2-ton. And here's a Heil. 1.5 ton from 2003. Okay. Right. Almost walked right into that one. That's probably why I went this way yesterday. 2010, 1.5 ton. 2015, 1.5 ton. New comforts. Here's a Goodman and an AC Pro. 2017, 2-ton. Ouch. 2002, 1.5 ton. I was looking at the wrong numbers. There's two Goodmans. I'm whacking the spider webs with my GoPro. Here's Goodman. 2006, 2-ton, it looks like, or 2.5 ton. And then this one. There's the data on that one. Here's a Janitrol. It was running earlier. 1993. 1 ton. This is 12 in the model number, so I'm gonna guess it's a 1 ton. I don't think they made 1 tons, or they do make 1 tons. I'm just gonna call it a 1.5 ton. Alright. Oh yeah, there's a Goodman and a Bryant over here, or Janitrol and a Bryant. What I filmed last time. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll get those in a minute.